Mornings shape your entire day. The way you breathe, the way you move, the way you show up for the world. It all begins in those first few minutes after you wake up. This practice is designed to gently unlock your body, awaken your mind, and fill your morning with calm, steady energy. Each pose takes you one step closer to clarity, lightness, and balance. Let's begin. 1. Mountain pose. Stand tall and let your feet root into the ground. Your spine lengthens, your shoulders relax, and your breath begins to steady. This pose reconnects you with your own center, preparing your body for movement and your mind for a focused day ahead. 2. Upward salute. Lift your arms overhead and stretch through your fingertips. Feel your ribs expand as fresh oxygen fills your lungs. This simple lift wakes up your upper body and signals to your mind that a new day is ready to unfold. 3. Forward fold. Hinge down slowly, letting your arms drop and your neck soften. Let go of stiffness, expectations, and yesterday's tension. This fold brings blood flow to the brain, clearing mental fog and giving your body a calm, reassuring release. 4. Halfway lift. Lengthen your spine and look slightly forward. This is where your breath and posture align. The halfway lift strengthens your back, activates your core, and sharpens your awareness. A gentle reminder to rise with intention. 5. Runner's lunge. Step one foot forward and sink into a deep, steady lunge. Your hips awaken, your legs warm up, and your breath deepens. This pose builds strength and mobility at the same time, preparing your lower body for an energized day ahead. 6. Warrior 1. Rise tall from your lunge, arms stretching upward. Warrior I invites confidence as you root through your feet and open your chest. This is your morning reminder that strength begins with intention. 7. Low lunge. With one foot forward, let your hips sink softly while your chest lifts. This opens the front of your body and releases deep tension stored in the hip flexors. You feel grounded, balanced, and ready to move forward. 8. Warrior 3. Shift your weight onto one foot and extend your body forward like a straight, powerful line. Your arms reach ahead, your back leg lifts behind you, and your core becomes your anchor. This pose sharpens focus, builds balance, and charges your morning with strength and determination. 9. Chair pose. Sit back into an invisible chair and feel your legs ignite. Your core activates, your breath becomes fuller, and warmth spreads through your body. Chair pose is your natural energy booster, awakening your system from the inside out. 10. Plank pose. Shift forward into a firm, steady plank. Your arms support you, your legs stay strong, and your core holds you up. This pose brings instant alertness, teaching you how to remain steady even when the day feels challenging. 11. Cobra pose. Lower down and lift your chest gently off the ground. Your spine wakes up, your heart opens, and your breath expands. Cobra fills you with warmth and invites a confident posture that carries into the rest of your morning. 12. Seated forward bend. Extend your legs and fold forward with softness. This final stretch calms your mind, cools your breath, and seals in a sense of peace and balance. The perfect way to prepare for the day ahead. Your morning is now awake. You stretched, breathed, and reconnected with yourself. Carry this calm strength with you, steady, focused, and energized. If this practice brought you clarity or comfort, let me know in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe for more yoga that supports your health, your energy, and your inner peace.